The crypto market has its biggest day in history coming up. This day will have both the Mt. Gox Bitcoin distribution and the Ethereum Merge. Both of these events will shake up the entire crypto industry. So if you hold any crypto at all, you need to see this. So what does the Mt. Gox Bitcoin release mean, and how will it affect the crypto market? What is the Ethereum Merge, and how will it affect the market? And what date is this all scheduled to happen? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm also going to be. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any major information. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, we are a crypto news and opinion channel. We post daily news videos mainly about the crypto market. Subscribe to stay in the crypto loop. Now, before we get to the main topic of today's video, let's first talk about what the Ethereum Merge is. The Ethereum Merge is a network upgrade that will change Ethereum's current consensus mechanism from proof of work to proof of stake. Along with other improvements, this milestone will help Ethereum deliver on its plan of becoming more scalable, secure, and sustainable. If you're not heavily into blockchain and crypto, that probably made little sense, so here's a simpler definition. The Merge is an Ethereum upgrade that ditches traditional mining, meaning having powerful computers solve math puzzles to run the network and create new coins and switches to a system where owners of the underlying currency, Ether or ETH, can stake it, hence proof of stake, in order to power the network. In even more simple terms, computers consuming tons of electricity to power Ethereum are out, and they're replaced by computers that consume dramatically less electricity. This has massive consequences for Ethereum's power consumption. Following the merge, Ethereum should become a lot greener, leaving Bitcoin as the only major blockchain that still relies on proof of work. According to Ethereum Foundation, Ethereum's energy consumption will be reduced by 99.95% following the merge. All that talk about NFTs not being green will be obsolete. The merge is also the first of many important upgrades that should make Ethereum more scalable and cheaper to use. People have been saying this is the biggest event in crypto history, as it will completely upgrade Ethereum, and therefore give it a huge chance at flipping Bitcoin in market cap. But there is still a chance things could go wrong. The merge is a major upgrade of an extremely complex system. It could go wrong. Ethereum could run slowly for a while or even halt completely. There could be other unforeseen errors or issues. Chances of any of this happening are small, given all of the testing that went into this event, but they are not zero. When is the Ethereum Merge scheduled? The Ethereum Merge is scheduled to happen on September 15th, so in around 12 days. But that's only half of what's scheduled to happen on September 15th. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out what else is happening on September 15th and how it could affect the markets. So, if you are in the crypto loop, you have probably heard about the Mt. Gox Bitcoin payout, but for those of you who haven't, here's a quick description. Mt. Gox was one of the earliest cryptocurrency exchanges, and at one time facilitated more than 70% of all trades made within the blockchain ecosystem. Following a major hack in 2011, the site subsequently collapsed in 2014 due to alleged insolvency. The fallout affected about 24,000 creditors and resulted in the loss of 850,000 Bitcoin, which is worth approximately $17 billion at current prices. In November 2021, the exchange's trustee confirmed that the rehabilitation plan was in Japan's court system. It is one of the final steps in a long process that began in 2018 with a petition to compensate creditors. Now Mt. Gox is trying to pay back investors who lost money, and they are going to be giving 137,000 Bitcoin back to people who were hacked. The crazy thing about this is that the average buying price for this Bitcoin was $400. This means that people who invested $400 are about to get their Bitcoin back for around $19,500. You can assume that the majority of people will instantly sell their Bitcoin and cash out the profits into fiat currency. This could lead to some huge price movement for Bitcoin and could actually crash the cryptocurrency's value due to a massive sell-off and market uncertainty at the moment. The 175,000 Bitcoin is set to be distributed on the 15th of September. Now, due to the fact that this happening on the same day as the Ethereum Merge, it could lead to lots of people cashing out their Bitcoin investments and potentially investing that money in the newly upgraded Ethereum. This could then cause a snowball effect where Bitcoin's price drops to below $15,000 and people start liquidating their holdings due to market uncertainty. But these people will probably want to invest in another cryptocurrency, and they will most likely turn to Ethereum as it's currently the second most valuable. If the merge goes successfully, it will most likely massively spike the price of Ethereum, and if the Mt. Gox Bitcoin distribution leads to huge Bitcoin liquidation, then we could see the flippening happen. What is the flippening? The term flippening came up in the year 2017. Flippening essentially refers to the potential moment when Ethereum will fare above Bitcoins and become the world's biggest cryptocurrency. As of now, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be invented. It has had the biggest market cap since the beginning. However, due to the fact that Ethereum is now more advanced, more sustainable, has a public founder in Vitalik Buterin, and really just the better cryptocurrency, it looks likely that we will see Ethereum flip Bitcoin in the near future, if not on September 15th. I personally see this as a major positive for crypto, as it will also cause every token not to just follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin. But this doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin will 100% lose its place as the #1 valued cryptocurrency, as it could do the opposite, and institutional investors could take the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a much lower price. This is actually a very feasible situation, as one of the biggest companies in the world, BlackRock, has recently partnered up with COINBASE to offer Bitcoin investments to Wall Street and institutional investors. So the situation could one of two ways. So what's the best option for you? I would say your best option is to cover both bases by dollar cost averaging into both cryptocurrencies while prices are low. Before ending this, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Check out the video on screen now to find out more about the recent crypto news. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.